Example 7.4029 page number. Evaluate limit extends to 0 plus x log x. Solution is given that equal to limits extends to 0 plus right hand limit x log x. X directly limit applied. This 0 into log 0 value is infinity. This form is indeterminate form. This change to limit extends to 0 plus log x by 1 by x. This change, this by 1 into x by 1. This is log of x by 1 by x by 1. Log of x by 1 into x by 1. The reverse, this function, x log x. This is no problem. This write the limit extends to 0 plus log x by 1 by x. This is 0 into infinity. This value is L'Hospital rule applied. L'Hospital rule applied. Limit extends to 0 plus log x derivative 1 by x by 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square equal to limits extends to 0 plus is 1 by x into this reverse minus x square by 1 square root cancel x to x square cancel. This is limits extends to 0 plus minus x square x minus x limit apply 0. This is therefore limit extends to 0 plus x log x equal to 0. X log x equal to example 7.41 page number 29. Evaluate limit extends to infinity x square plus 17x plus 29 by x for 4. Directly x equal to infinity. This form of the infinity by infinity. This is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form is a L'Hospital rule applied. This given that limits extends to infinity x square plus 17x plus 29 by x for 4 29. This form is infinity by infinity. Infinity whole square plus 17 infinity plus 29 and infinity. X for 4 infinity and infinite power of 4 equal to infinity. This form use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule equal to limits extends to infinity x square derivative is 2x plus 17 by 4x cube. This is a L'Hospital rule is 4x cube. Again derivative this x plus infinity by infinity form. This again L'Hospital rule. Limits extends to infinity 2x derivative 2 plus 17 derivative 0 by 12x square. This limit applied is 2 by 12 into infinity whole square equal to something by infinity. Something by infinity is 0. Limits extends to infinity x power of square plus 7x square plus 17x plus 29 by x for 4 equal to 0. Example 7.41 page number 21. Evaluate limit extends to infinity e power of x by x power of m. The solution given that limit extends to infinity e power of x by x power of m. E power of infinity infinite power of m equal to infinity by infinity form. This is a L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is limit x tends to infinity, e power of x, derivative e power of x power of m derivative is m into x power of m minus 1. Again this is infinite by infinite form. Infinite by infinite form. Again L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to infinity, e power of x by x power of m minus 1 derivative. This derivative is e power of x derivative, e power of x m into x power of m minus 1 derivative is m minus 1 into x power of m minus 2. This is also infinite by infinity, indeterminate form. Indeterminate, again L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is limit x tends to infinity, e power of x by m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 into e x power of m minus 3. This is again derivative. L'Hospital e power of x derivative. This constant m into m minus 1, x power of m minus 2 derivative m minus 2 into x power of m minus 2 minus 1, x power of m minus 3. This also indeterminate form. This is simple formula is n factorial formula, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on 3 to 1. This is a n factorial formula. This is n into n minus 1, n minus 2, so on 3 to 1 equal to n factorial. This limits limit x tends to infinity, e power of x by, this is a m factorial. This is a m factorial equal to, again e power of infinity equal to e power of infinity by m factorial equal to infinity. This therefore limits x tends to infinity, e power of x by x power of m equal to infinity. Indeterminate form, 0 power of 0, 1 power of infinite and infinite power of 1. The previous is 0 by 0 or infinite power of infinity. This is a formula is L'Hospital rule. This sometimes is 0 power of 0, 1 power of 0 and infinite power of 0. Let's the limit x tends to a g of x is exist and the left let it is be L. Let f of x be a continuous function x equal to L, then limit x tends to f of g of x equal to f of limit x tends to 0. This simple this is. Suppose f of x equal to some value is log of 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x. This power is any function, power is x, 1 by x, log x, any both side log apply. This is a first case. First, this power of some functions, this both side log up. Log of f of x equal to log of 1 plus x power of 1 by x. This before is 1 by x is log of 1 plus x. Yes, this is a change to indeterminate form 0 by 0 or infinite by infinity. Any function, this power another function, take the both side log. Suppose y is equal to x power of x, take the both side log of y equal to log of x power of x. Log of y equal to x into log of x. This limit apply. Next, last is the solution is e. Last is solution is e. E is this log, this value is x log x, value is e. Log of y equal to e power of log y. E power of this e power of e. This power is power logarithm formula is e power of. This also the change 0 by 0 infinity. Again L'Hospital rule. Again L'Hospital rule. Last is the evaluate the answer is e. E. This is a last step. X power of 1 by x equal to 0, 1 plus 1 by 0 equal to 1 power of infinity. This form, indeterminate form. This is a indeterminate form. Limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. 1 by 0, infinity, and 1 by. This is a, use the L'Hospital rule. This is not a 1. L'Hospital rule is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. This is a L'Hospital rule is, but this is a 1 power of infinity. This is an indeterminate form, but you not use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. This is a, let f of x equal to 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x. Let f of x equal 1 plus x power of 1 by x. 1 plus x power of 1 by x. This taking on both sides log of x, f of x equal to log of 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x. Taking on both sides log apply. Log of f of x equal to log of. This log of f of x equal to, this is a 1 by x, log of 1 plus x. The power is, this power is a for log of a power of n equal to n into log of a. This formula, logarithm formula. This limit apply. This log limits x tends to 0 plus equal to f of x equal log of f of x. Log of f of x equal to limits x tends to 0 plus equal to log of 1 plus x by x. This is a log 1 plus 0. Log 1 value is 0 by 0. This is a 0 by 0 form. This is 0 by 0 form. They use the L'Hospital rule. Use the L'Hospital rule. Use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is this function is log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to L'Hospital rule. This is a limits x tends to 0 plus log of 1 plus x by x. L'Hospital rule is log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to log x derivative 1 by 1 plus x, log of x derivative 1 by x, log of 1 plus x by inner derivative 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1. This 1 derivative, x derivative is 1. Is a limits, limit x tends to 0 plus. This log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to applied 1 by 1 plus 0 equal to 1. This log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 log outside equal to 1. This limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to e power of 1. Formula, this is a log outside e power of 1 equal to, this formula is a power of x equal to 2, x equal to log of x equal to a, so x equal to e power of a. This is a logarithm formulas. This right side is e power 1. F of x equal to this limits x tends to 0 plus 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x equal to e. This is example 7.44 by page number is 30. Evaluate. Given that limits x tends to infinity 1 plus 2x power of 1 by 2 log of x. X equal to infinity, 1 plus infinity, power of 1 by x. This is a 1 power of 1 by infinity and a 1 power of 0. This is not a mess. Take the let f of x equal to 1 plus 2x power of 1 by 2 log of x. This take the taking on both sides log. On both sides log. Log of f of x equal to log of 1 plus 2x power of 1 by 2 log x equal log of f of x equal to 1 by 2 log of x into log of 1 plus 2x. Extra limit apply. Limit x tends to infinity log of f of x equal to limit x tends to infinity log of 1 plus 2x by 2 log of x. This is a limit. Now this is infinity by infinity form. Infinity 1 plus 2 into infinity, 1 plus infinity into infinity, log infinity into infinity, infinity by infinity. This is a log of limits x tends to infinity f of x equal to this L'Hospital rule. Use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. Log of limit. This is a right side L'Hospital rule. This is a log x derivative. Log of 1 plus 2x derivative 1 by 1 plus 2x. Inner derivative 1 plus 2x derivative 1 derivative 0, 2x derivative 2 by log 2 by x, 2 by x. Log equal to 2 by 1 plus 2x into x by 2. 2 cancel. Limits x tends to infinity. Limits x tends to infinity. Equal limits x tends to infinity x by 1 plus 2x equal to infinity by infinity. Limit x tends to infinity equal to xx equal to infinity by 1 plus 2 into infinity equal to 1 plus 2 into infinity equal to 1 by, again L'Hospital rule. This is a 0 infinity by infinity. Again L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule equal log of f of limits x tends to infinity f of x equal to this L'Hospital rule limits x tends to infinity 1 by 0 plus 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Log of limits x tends to infinity f of x equal to 1 by 2. Limit x tends to infinity f of x equal to this is log outside e power of 1 by 2 logarithm formula. Log of a equal to x, a is equal to e power of x formula. Log outside e power equal to limits x tends to infinity. F of x value is 1 plus 2x power of 1 by 2 log of x equal to e power of root. This is a formula. This is a limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 2x power of 1 by 2 log x equal to e power 1 by root 2 equal to 7.45 page number 31. Evaluate limit x tends to x power of 1 by 1 minus x. So given that solution, given that limits x tends to 1, x power of 1 by 1 minus x. This is a 1 into 1 by 1 minus 1 equal 1 power of 1 by 0 equal 1 by something by infinity and infinity. 1 power of infinity. This is a form, indeterminate form. But not to use the L'Hospital rule. This L'Hospital rule is 0 by 0, infinite by infinity. But this 1 power of infinity, this power x power of some function, this take the both sides, the limits x tends to 1, x power of, this is a first, let f of x equal to x power of 1 by 1 minus x. Taking both sides log, taking on both sides log, this is the power of x power of another function, x power of 1 by 1 minus x, take the log on both sides, log of f of x equal to this log of x power of 1 by 1 minus x, this equal to 1 by 1 minus x into log of x, log of x. This is log of x power of 1 by x. This is before 1 minus x equal log x. This is a limits log of f of x, limits x tends to 1 equal to limits x tends to 1 log of x by 1 minus x. This apply the directly limit, log 1 value 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 by 0 form. This is use the L'Hospital rule. Use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule equal to this is L'Hospital rule, 0 by 0. This function is L'Hospital. This is another function, not this. This equal to limits log of limits x tends to 1 f of x equal to this log x derivative 1 by x by 1 is derivative 0 minus 1. This is a log of limits x tends to 1 f of x equal to this minus 1 by x, limits x tends to 1 minus 1 by x equal to minus 1, 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. This is a limits log of limit x tends to 1 f of x equal to minus 1. Limits log outside x tends to 1 f of x equal to e power minus 1 equal to 1 by e. Limits x tends to 1 f of x value is x power of 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1 by e. This is the answer. Limit x tends to 1, x power of 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1. Standard limits formulas. This is a standard limit formulas. For this J means entrance formulas is limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a equal to n into a power of n minus 1. This also proof. This is. Next, limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x power of n minus a power of n equal to m by n, a power of m minus n, or n, m greater than n. This formula. Limit x tends to a, x power of m minus a power of n by x power of n minus a power of n equal to m by n, a power of m minus n. This condition is m greater than n. Next, some 0 less than mod less than pi by 2, x is measured in the radians. This also proof. 1. Limit x tends to sin x by x equal 1 and limit x tends to 0 tan x by x equal to 1. Next, second, limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x equal to m. This also proof. So, limit x tends to 0 sin mx by x equal to m. This is a. This is a. Replace ax. That is a mx. Limit x tends to tan ax by x equal to a. Limit x tends to sin x decrease by x equal to pi by 180. And tan limit x tends to tan x decrease by x equal to pi by 180. Limit x tends to infinity sin x by x equal to 0 and limit x tends to infinity cos x by x equal to 0. Next value, limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x by x equal to 1 limit extends to tan inverse x by x equal to 1. Limit extends to 0 e power of x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Limit extends to 0 a power of x minus 1 by x equal to log of a base e, a greater than 0. Limit, this also proof. Limit extends to 0 1 plus x whole power of 1 by x equal to e. Limit extends to 0 1 plus ax power of 1 by x equal to e power of a. Limit extends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x power of x equal to e. Limit extends to 1 plus ax by x power of x equal to e power of x. Most important formula is, another last formula is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos of ax by x square equal to a square by 2. Limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos ax by x square equal to a square by 2. This exercise first problem, this formula. This is formula J means, this is shortcut formulas. Dear students, limits exercise 7.5. Avoid the following limits. If necessary, use the L'Hospital rule. Necessary, the directly formula or necessary. Next, this is first question. Limit extends to 0 1 minus cos x by x square. This formula is limit extends to 0 1 minus cos of ax by x square equal to a square by 1, a square by 2, a square. This is formula. This solution, limits extends to 0 1 minus cos of 1 into x by x square equal to a equal to value is 1 whole square by 2 equal to 1 by 2. This is easy directly. Limit extends to 0 cos of ax by x square equal to a square by 2. This is a equal to 1. 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 A equal to 1 whole square by 2. This is another step. Only one step. For given that solution is a working rule, limits extends to 0 1 minus cos of x by x square. Cos 0 value is equal to 0 by 0. 1. Cos 0 value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 square is nothing but 0. This is indeterminate form. 0 by 0. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is limits extends to 0. 1 derivative 0. Cos derivative minus sin plus sin x by equal to 2x. This is a sin 0 0 2 into 0 0 0 by 0 form. This again L'Hospital rule. Again L'Hospital rule equal to limits extends to 0 sin x derivative cos x into 2 into x derivative 1 equal to cos 0 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to limits extends to 0 1 minus cos of x by x square equal to 1 by 2. Limit apply. Next, second problem. Second problem. Limits extends to infinity 2x square minus 3 by x square minus 5x plus 3. This is take the, so give x square common. Limits extends to infinity x square 2 minus 3 by x square common denominator 1 minus 5 by x plus 3 by x square. X tends to infinity implies 1 by x tends to 0, 1 by x square tends to 0. This limit extends to infinity, x square cancel, infinitive 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 0 plus 0 equal to 2. This is a 2 answer. Next, third question. Third question equal to limit x tends to infinity x by log of x. This third problem is infinity by log infinity into infinity by infinity form. This is a L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is numerator derivative limit x tends to infinity is x derivative 1 by log x derivative 1 by x equal to by x limit x tends to infinity x equal to infinity. Limits x tends to infinity x by log of x equal to infinity. This is today discuss the fourth problem. Limit x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x. Given that solution, given that limits x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x equal to limits x tends to pi by 2 minus the secant x equal to 1 by cos x. Next to tan x equal to sin x by cos x. This is formula, trigonometric formulas. Secant x equal to 1 by cos x. Tan x equal to sin by cos x. This is a 1 by cos x by sin x by cos x. Next, this is limits x tends to pi by 2 minus in 1 by cos x. This fraction is reverse into cos x by sin x. This is cos x cancellation. This is a limits x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 by sin x. The substitution is pi by 2 equal to sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Limits x tends to pi by 2 minus secant x by tan x equal to 1. This is a solution. Dear students, second, fifth problem. Limit x tends to infinity e power of minus x root x. This is given that solution, given that limit x tends to infinity e power of minus x into root x equal to limits x tends to infinity a power of minus 1 equal to 1 by a. This e power of minus x equal to 1 by e power of x. Any doubts? A power of minus 1 equal to 1 by a. E power of minus x equal to that take the same formulas is 1 by e power of x. This is a root x by e power of x. This is it. The directly substitution infinity by infinity. This root to infinity e power of infinity equal to infinity by infinity. This is a indeterminate form. This is a indeterminate form. E power of infinity equal to 0. This indeterminate form. Next indeterminate form is L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. Limit is L'Hospital rule is numerator derivative, denominator separately derivative. Limit x tends to infinity. Root x derivative. Derivative of root x equal 1 by 2 root x. e power of x derivative e power of x. This is a root x 1 by 2 root x into e power of x derivative e power of x. Next, limits x tends to infinity e power of minus x by 2 root x. 2 root x. This value is the substitution e power of x. Directly e power of minus infinity, this is a 1 by 2 into e power of minus x into 1 by under root of 1 by x. This is a limits x tends to infinity. Now 1 by 2 into limits apply e power of minus infinity by 1 by 0 equal to e power of minus infinity. Next, this is a x tends to infinity implies 1 by x tends to 0. This is a 1 by 2 into e power of 0 0 equal to 0. Limits x tends to infinity e power of minus x root x value is 0. Any notes? This e power limit x tends to infinity e power of minus x root x. This a power of minus x, a power of minus 1 equal to 1 by a. E power minus x equal to 1 by e power of x. This is a root x by e power. This x directly substitution x equal to infinity, root infinity by e power of infinity, infinity by infinity form. This is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form is use the L-Hospital rule. Apply the L-Hospital rule. The numerator separate derivative, denominator separate derivative. Limit x tends to infinity, root x derivative 1 by root x. E power of x derivative e power of x. Limit x tends to e power. This is a 1 by e power of x, write the e power of minus x. E power of minus x by 2 into root x. This is a constant to 1 by 2. E power minus x into under root of 1 minus x. This is 1 by 2 into e power substitution. E power of minus infinity 1 by 0. Extensive value is 0. This is infinity into infinity minus infinity value is 0. This is a 1 by 2 into 0, there 0. Limit x tends to infinity e power minus x root x equal to. Fifth problem, limit x tends to infinity e power of minus x root x. The solution is given that limits x tends to infinity e power of minus x into root x. This a power of minus 1. A power of minus 1 equal 1 by a. A power of. This is a limits x tends to infinity root x by e power of x. This formula. This e power of minus x equal to 1 by e power of x. Same formula, a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. E power of minus x equal to this 1 by e power of x. This limit applied directly. Root infinity. E power of infinity equal to e power of infinity equal to infinity. This is e power of infinity equal to infinity. This is a infinite by infinite form. This is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form is 0 by 0 or infinite by infinity. This is the L-Hospital rule. This is a L-Hospital rule. Limit x tends to infinity. Root x derivative is 2 root x. E power of x to e power of x. This is a derivative by dx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. This formula. E power of x derivative d by dx of e power of x equal to e power of x. This limits x tends to infinity e power of minus x by equal to 2 root x. Take the common 1 by 2 into limits x tends to infinity e for minus x into 1 by x. Any doubt this? E power of 1 by x. This is a limit applied. This x tends to infinity implies 1 by x tends to 0. This equal to 1 by 2 into e power of minus infinity into 1 by x equal to 0 equal to e power of minus infinity also 0 equal to 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. Limits x tends to e power of minus x root x equal to root x equal to 0. Students, sixth problem in solution given that limits x tends to 0 1 by sin x minus 1 by x. This LCM is x tends to 0. This x sin x sin x sin x. This is a directly applied 0. X replace lo 0. This x replace input in the 0. X replace lo substitution 0. In x 0 minus sin 0 by 0 into sin 0 equal to 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form value is indeterminate form. This is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Use the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rules is numerator derivative, denominator derivative. This is a limits x tends to 0, x derivative is 1, sin x derivative cos x. Any doubts? This is d by dx equal to x equal to 1. d by dx equal into sin x equal to cos x. d by dx of uv formula u dash v dash plus u dash v. Anyhow, this is a x derivative 1. Sin x derivative is cos x. Yes? Next is a uv form. This is a x sin x derivative cos x plus this sin x u derivative x derivative is 1 into sin x. This is again substitution is x equal to 1. This 1 minus cos 0 by 0 into cos 0 plus sin 0 equal cos 0 1 minus 1 by 0 plus 0 equal to 0 by 0. This is indeterminate form. This is indeterminate form. Again L'Hospital rule. Again L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule limits x tends to 0. 1 को constant derivative is 0. Cos x derivative minus sin x minus is plus sin x. Formula is d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. This is a minus x. This is again inner derivative x into cos x derivative minus sin x plus into cos x plus sin x derivative cos x. Dear students, seventh problem is limit x tends to 1 plus into 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1. The solution is given that limit x tends to 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1. this a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. This formula. This is also whole square. This is a square minus b square. This square. This is a limits x tends to 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 minus x by x minus 1. Any doubt this? A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. This is a x, b equal to 1. This is a minus b. It means x minus 1. A plus b is x plus 1. This limits x tends to 1 plus. This LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 1. The same. This is a same. This is x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is 1, 2 into 1, 2. X minus 1, x minus. This is a minus x into x plus 1. This is limits x tends to 1 plus. This is a multiplication. 2 into minus x into x minus x square minus x into plus 1 minus x. A plus b into a x square minus 1. This is it. This applying with this value is simple is this is g2 1 substitution 2 minus minus 1 0 by 0 1 minus 1. This 0 by 0 or 0 by indeterminate form. This is a indeterminate form. This indeterminate form is L-Hospital rule. This is a limits x tends to 1 plus is a constant derivative 0 into x square derivative is minus 2x minus 1 by x square derivative 2x minus 0. Directly applied, this x equal to this limits x tends to 1 plus minus 2x minus 1 by 2x. This is a this limit applied. This minus 2 into 1 minus 1 2 into 1 equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 2 into 1 2. This limits x tends to infinity 0 plus 1 plus into 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 2. This answer. This limit x tends to 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 minus x by x minus 1 equal to minus 3 by 8th problem. Limit x tends to 0 plus x power of x. This is a power. The let f of x equal to x power of x. Take the both side log apply. This is a power function. This is take the both sides log apply. Solution given that limits x tends to 0 plus x power of x. Let f of x equal to x power of x. Taking both sides log function. Log of f of x equal to log of x power of x. Formula is log of x power of n equal n into log of x. This formula log of x power of n equal to n into log x. This power is x power of x equal to x log of x. This converted to log of x by 1 by x. This is a log of f of x. Take the limit apply. Limit x tends to 0 plus. We take the apply limits x tends to 1 by x This first is a limit log 0 value is infinity. 1 by 0. This value is log 0 by 1 by 0. This is a infinity by infinity. This form infinity by infinity. This form is a indeterminate form, or 0 by 0, indeterminate, or infinite by infinity. Use the L'Hospital rule. Using the L'Hospital rule, log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to L'Hospital rule. This is a L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. This right side is L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rules limits x tends to 0 plus log x derivative 1 by x by 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. And derivative of log x equal to 1 by x, derivative of d by dx of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. This formulas. This next is limits x tends to 0 plus is 1 by x into minus 1 by x reverse into minus x square by 1. This value x square cancel. Limits x tends to 0 plus, this is a minus x that directly applied. This is a x equal to 0. This value is 0. Log of limits x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to value is 0. This function limits x tends to 0 plus f of x, logarithm function. Log of a equal to x. A is equal to e power of x. This log function value. This log of e power of 0. E power of 0 value is 1 equal to directly f of x value is x power of x. Limits x tends to 0 plus f of x value is x power of x equal to 1. This formula. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x power of x. Solution. Limits x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by x whole power of x. Limit. This is a 1 plus, this is a 1 by infinity, 1 plus 1 by infinity power of infinity. This is 1 by 1 plus 0, 1 by infinity value 0, equal to infinity, equal to 1 power of infinity. This is a 1 by, this is a indeterminate form. But this value is not applicable. This change to the power in the log function. Let f of x equal to 1 plus 1 by x whole power of x, taking on both sides log of f of x equal to log of 1 plus 1 by x power of x equal to x log of 1 plus 1 by x. This is a log of 1 plus 1 by x by 1 by x. This is a limits x tends to infinity f of x, log of f of x equal to limits x tends to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by x by 1 by x. This is a log of 1 plus 1 by infinity 0. 1 plus 0 equal log 1 value 0 by 1 by infinity value 0. This is a indeterminate form. This 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is L'Hospital rule by L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. This is a L'Hospital rule. Log of limits x tends to infinity f of x equal to limits x tends to infinity log x derivative 1 by 1 plus 1 by x into inner derivative is 0 plus 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square by into minus 1 by x square. This cancel equal to limits x tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. This value is 1 by 1 plus 1 by infinity equal to 1 by infinity 0, 1 by 1 plus 0, 1 by infinity value is 0 equal to 1. This is a log of limits x tends to infinity f of x. Again, this is this limits x tends to infinity f of x equal to e power of 1 logarithm formula. Log is this inside, e log is outside is e power of x. This logarithm formula. This f of x value is f of x value is f of x value is limits x tends to infinity into log of 1 plus x whole power of x equal to e power of 1. This is a solution. This is 10th problem. Limit x tends to pi by 2 sin x power of tan x. The solution given that limits x tends to pi by 2 sin x power of tan x. Directly apply sin pi by 2 into tan pi by 2 equal sin pi by 1 power of infinity. This is an indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. This indeterminate form is this direct derivative, but direct L'Hospital is not applicable. 1 power of infinity. This L'Hospital rule is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. This power, this function is power. That take the power is logarithm. Take the both sides logarithm. This is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Let f of x equal to sin x power of tan x. This power function. They take the taking both sides log of f of x equal to log of sin x power of tan x formula equal to tan x into log of sin x. This is a log. Limits both side limit apply. Limits x tends to pi by 2 log of f of x equal to limits x tends to pi by 2 tan is changed to cot log of sin x by tan x is changed to cot 1 by cot. This is limit applied. Log of limits x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to this limits log of sin pi by 2 by cot pi by 2 log of 1 0 by cot pi by 2 value 0. This is a indeterminate form 0 by 0. This indeterminate form use the L'Hospital rule. You use L'Hospital rule. This is a log x. This is a log x. Log of sin x by cot x. This is L'Hospital rule. By using the by using the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule, log x derivative 1 by x sin x. Sin x derivative, inner derivative, this is a x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X means sin x. The inner derivative sin x is cos x by cot x derivative minus cosecant square x. This is a cos x by sin x by minus 1 by sin square x. This is a limits. This is a limits. Limit x tends to pi by 2. This limits x tends to pi by 2. This limits x tends to pi by 2 equal to limits x tends to pi by 2 into cos x by sin x minus sin square x by 1. This cancel. This is this. This limit log of limits x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to minus limits x tends to pi by 2 into minus sin x into cos x. That apply minus sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 equal to minus 1 into 0 equal to 0. Log of limits x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to log outside limits x tends to pi by 2 f of x equal to e power of 0. E power of 0 value is 1. F of x value is limits x tends to pi by 2 sin x power of tan x equal to 1. This is a final